In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or end your Uber One membership quickly and easily. Perhaps you've decided it's time to part ways with these premium benefits, or maybe you just want to try something different. Either way, I'm here to guide you step by step through this process. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Uber's official website. If you aren't already logged in, sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, focus your attention on the menu options. You'll want to locate and click on the Help section. Clicking this will redirect you to Uber's Help page, which is essentially a comprehensive support area designed to assist users with any queries or issues. Once you're on the Help page, you will find various sections tailored for different users. Click on the Riders section since this applies to you as an Uber One member. From here, we need to pinpoint the right topic related to canceling the membership. It's designed to facilitate navigation, so don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. Navigate to the search bar on this Riders Help page. This is the critical part to ensure you're heading down the right track. Type in cancel membership and hit enter. The search results should populate a list of relevant articles and links related to your inquiry. Look for the article titled, "How do I cancel my Uber One membership?" and click on it. It provides detailed instructions and is exactly what we need to proceed with canceling your membership. Once you've accessed this article, you'll find detailed information and potentially a form or button where you can type or confirm your decision to cancel. Go through the instructions carefully, ensuring you understand the implications and any terms that may apply to this action. Often, there might be some last-minute offers or notifications about the benefits you might lose, but continue if you're sure about your decision to cancel. In the article, or perhaps near the bottom of the page, you'll find a Submit button. Clicking this button is the final step to confirm the cancellation of your Uber One membership. After submitting, you should see a confirmation message or receive an email confirming the termination of your membership. And that's it. You've successfully ended your Uber One membership. I hope this guide was helpful and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources in the Uber Help section or contact their support team for more personalized help. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.